Hello and welcome back. I didn't make too many videos last week because it has been a bit busy in my office, but I'm back. And yes, you might remember that in the past, I'm gonna show you some of my Farnell stuff. In the in the past, in my former videos a while back, I found this in a barn and I totally restored it. It's almost like new now. And I did the same to another Farnell device. And that is also in one of my other videos. And that is the TM2. It's a millivolt meter. This one is a keeper. This one probably goes. But what I did find already a few months ago, but I didn't have time to fix them. That is here. This is also from Farnell. And this is the ET2, and these are the ET1s. This one is, I think, is 15 volt 2 amps or 30 volt 1 amp. These are the smaller versions. Not only it's a single, this one is a double. This, yeah, it's the E31. This one is 30 volts by a half an amp and 15 volt by an amp. So also the power is half, not only the. But I have two. And both need to be restored. They are dirty, and just like what happened with this one, is the course button is stuck. This one is exactly the same. This one is exactly the same. So we're gonna do exactly the same as we did with this one, and that was just putting a lot of cleaner in it, and contact spray / cleaner, and it is permanent solution because these ones are still good. So we're gonna do that. And what else I found is it's a signal generator. It is the ESG1, and it's up to 1 megahertz. And it is from the same series, as you can see. I think this one was one series before, but these are all the same series. So I'm gonna open them, clean them, make them look good. Well, if you look at the transformer, this transformer is for 220 and 240. So I think I will switch it to 240 because we have here 230, 235. So